There we go. Good morning, everyone. It's Nico here from Sustainable Teen. I am up. I have woken up. I've not gotten ready yet, but I'm up. So that's progress, but good morning. Good morning. I thought that was really funny, waking up and seeing people on the roof. Anyways, so I'm gonna go get ready. But today I just woke up and I was like, hey, I don't feel like brushing my teeth right when I wake up. I want to use a mouthwash. But regular conventional mouthwashes like Crest and all that kind of stuff aren't super great for you if you guys haven't done that kind of research. I'll maybe include some research on that I've found. Other than that, I was looking for a DIY, do-it-yourself, homemade, natural mouthwash, and I found one. And I thought I'd share it with you guys. So stay tuned. And I'm back. So welcome everyone to my channel. It was a long process trying to make this YouTube channel. I can't really say that I've made it yet because I mean it's not really a YouTube channel until I've like posted and stuff. So hopefully I've posted already by the time I post this video. I have some more videos in the works, so it's a process, but I'm getting there. I'm figuring it out, doing my research. But yeah, so make sure you guys follow my Instagram so you can help me figure out what content I can make for you guys, what things you want to see, what things you want to learn about with me. So follow my Instagram. Maybe I can include it in the video. Maybe it'll be right here or right here by the Bob Ross kind of looking painting. I don't know, but yeah, follow my Instagram account so you guys can stay up to date on my account and what my sustainable teen journey is. Before I show you guys my DIY mouthwash, I just want to show you guys my outfit. It's kind of been like my go-to. Maybe I'll do a lookbook kind of thing, either for July or August. It's still July. Today it is anyway. But yeah, I've been wearing this skirt and with this t-shirt kind of a lot. It's like go-to outfit. Yes, I wear skirts. No, I'm not ashamed of it. And yes, I do get made fun of it, but I think it's comfortable. Denim can be kind of constraining sometimes, so yeah, it's whatever. So this DIY mouthwash recipe, I got it from draxe.com. I use that website for literally everything. Dr. Axe and Mercola are my favorites, so I'll include the description. In the description, I'll include a link to that recipe because it's not my own. Got it from his website. I love his website, and I'm using these two oils. I actually haven't been able to find a super good, there are very few sustainable essential oil companies. I mean, most of them come in glass bottles, so that's pretty good, but besides that, there's other plastic packaging involved. If you guys know about any plastic-free, sustainable essential oils or other kind of oils like jojoba oil and all that kind of stuff, I've been really searching for good brands on that, but other than that, you can go to your local store and especially like Whole Foods, and they have a great variety of all kinds of oils and yeah. But this, for reference for you guys, is Spring Valley tea tree oil and the Now essential oils 100% pure peppermint oil. And also there's tons of information about you have to be careful about the kind of labeling they use to determine how pure the formula is for oils. So I'll definitely read up on that and share with you guys because that's pretty important. You don't want to buy bad quality essential oils. I do know that if you're looking for a essential oil subscription kind of company, or not subscription actually, Young Living, I've been reading up on their quality and they seem to have the best quality overall for all their products. They own the farms that farms out there term? They own the land that they get the essential oils from, and then they distill it and distill. I don't have the lingo on this. Maybe I'm right. Hopefully I'm right. But they own all their own processing and check for the purity level of their products. Companies like doTERRA, which is actually a copy from Young Living. I read that. It's kind of like a big story. I had no idea. I'd actually used doTERRA for quite a few years, but Young Living seems to really got it. So kudos to them for being sticking with their company and being so awesome. Just got a notification on my phone. Yes, I'm using my phone. But yeah, so more on that too. I'll include some stuff on that later. So the Dr. Axe recipe for this mouthwash is actually 5 drops of tea tree oil, 5 drops of peppermint oil, and 2 cups of water, but I didn't want to I don't want to do that much for the amount that I want to try it out with. So I just did 2 drops of each in about a little over half a cup, which is a big downgrade, but I didn't want to waste that much on trying it out. Also, my idea for using mouthwash was so that I don't brush my teeth right when I wake up. I just use a mouthwash and then I can eat and brush my teeth after. So yeah, maybe that'll work. I don't know. Now I'm kind of sketched on using essential oils before I eat. Maybe it might make things taste weird, but this is what the video is for. Now you guys will know after I experience it. So let's try it out. Wow, I gotta say that stuff was actually really refreshing and nice. It wasn't an overwhelming peppermint kind of taste or tea tree at all. Really nice. I think that's a winner. Good job, Dr. Axe. That was an amazing mouthwash, actually. I highly recommend that. And actually, I would do maybe even a higher concentration of essential oils in the water. My mouth feels so good. It's like fresh spring. A minty spring. Doesn't make sense. I feel really fresh. Yep. That's a go for me. So everyone, I hope you liked the video. Maybe it was short. I think it was kind of short, but short and sweet. Quick DIY mouthwash and my review on it. It was great. I love it. I'm gonna use it probably every morning. It's way quicker than having to full-on brush your teeth in the morning. And I looked up why you need to brush your teeth in the morning or why you should use a mouthwash. When you sleep, your saliva production goes down, which is super good because you don't need to be swallowing. You'd have to be swallowing all the time and you'd lose water if your body was producing that same amount of saliva when you sleep compared to when you're awake. So since there's not as much saliva, the bacteria in your mouth doesn't get washed away like it does when you're awake. So when you wake up in the morning, you have more bacteria in your mouth than usual, and it doesn't smell good, doesn't taste good, and actually you don't want to be swallowing all that bacteria. You want to get rid of it. So quick mouthwash is great. The peppermint oil, I need to slow down with my words. The peppermint oil refreshes your mouth and will actually give you like a good sensation in your mouth, which we know there's some like peppermint oil is super common for gum and all that kind of stuff, but there's there's artificial things involved with most like mouth refreshing products, but this DIY mouthwash, you know, it's homemade, it's just pure peppermint oil, and the tea tree oil is going to kill bacteria, so that's really important. And yeah, I love peppermint oil and tea tree oil. It's a win. Hope you guys use it. Let me know in the comments, and follow my Instagram post about it. Comment on that, what recipes you guys use for mouthwash, if you tried it and how you liked it too. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. I'm still figuring out this thing. I'm sorry if the quality of my videos aren't very good, or if I talk kind of funny and editing's weird, but bear with me. I'm learning, I'm getting there. Follow my journey about sustainable living and organic stuff. So love you guys, thanks for watching, and see you soon.